to clean up your email. The steps to follow is to go to more. We want to unsubscribe some of the emails that we don't want. So you go to manage subscriptions, then scroll down to anyone that you want to unsubscribe. Remember, you can click here to unsubscribe, but before then, we have to note down the email that you want to unsubscribe. Or let me click on Figma, for instance. Then we have to note down or copy the email that sent the message to us. Then you click on unsubscribe. Then after that, you go to your inbox. You click on your inbox, then click on this place and paste the email. So all the emails that are coming from this particular address will be deleted in batch. So to delete it, you click on this place. So when you click, you see that everything is highlighted. Then you now click this delete. Once you click it, it will delete everything from here. So that's how to clean up your email. You will continue doing it. You will continue unsubscribing whichever one that you want to unsubscribe.